Are your Windows apps broken by the binkw32.dll? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's walk through the automated process to fix your installation. This DLL file is the Bink Video Codec library by Rad Game Tools. It is used by thousands of games to play back high-quality intro movies, cutscenes, and cinematics while maintaining high performance and low memory overhead. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. The binkw32.dll is a key part of the Bink Video runtime file set. A clean reinstall of the latest version of Bink Video will repair any missing or corrupted components without affecting your other Windows settings. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the binkw32. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. To protect your system architecture, I have a few recommendations regarding file authenticity. Manual intervention with the binkw32. DLL is dangerous because it can overwrite newer, secure versions of the file with older, vulnerable ones. To help keep your environment stable and prevent recurring errors, consider an automated maintenance utility for your system. Review options for improving system stability and resource management by consulting the diagnostic information linked below for the binkw32. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Bink Video today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.